Hi everyone, welcome to Rachel's Studio, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I used Sumi ink to paint this black cat. I also did one in lamp black. I didn't finish it because it didn't fur out as much. So you can use lamp black for this, but to get ultimate fur out effects, I found that the Sumi ink worked best, so let me show you how I did this. Alright, in honor of Halloween and my late beloved cat Sadie and my favorite shirt ever these days, which is this. How cute is that print? I want to try to recreate it on Arches cold press 140 pound. So I'm using Sumi black ink. I'm going to use a wide brush to put on clear clean water, and I'm going to use an 8 round to put on the cat with the Sumi ink. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a round spot on my paper. And then I'm going to kind of let that soak in for a minute. So I'm going to give it at least a full minute to soak into my paper. In the meantime, I'll show you the other one that I did. I love this one. And I just want to learn to be able to reproduce it though. And I just watched the footage, and what I did was I got it wet. I did let the water sit, and then I went dab, 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 and let it spread out this way, and dab, 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 and let it spread out this way, and then went like that, and it worked so perfectly. And I've done a bunch of other ones, and they have not done as perfect. And it's starting to buckle a little, so that's a good sign that it's ready to go. I'm gonna go dab, dab, dab. That's going to be the head, I think. It works best if you dab and let it spread out. Like that. We will let that spread out, and in the meantime I'm going to use Arteza acrylic water-based ink markers. They're UV resistant, acid free. I used them on the other cat to do the eyes and I liked it, so we'll go with that. I also tried this with lamp black, and that's what happened. It didn't fur out as much, which I was surprised, because I've gotten some great fur out effects with lamp black by Daniel Smith. But hey, you just never know. It also can be affected by your sizing. I'm going to let this dry completely, and then we'll add eyes and little ears. All right, this is completely dried. I'm now going to take Arteza acrylic marker in gold, is from this set, and I'm going to draw some little eyes. And I think I'll make him looking that way. So I'm going to go around the eyeball, or the pupil. So I got a pupil there now, and let's try to make them about the same size. Had to activate it by pushing it in and then coming back. Let's get a black, space black. I've never used this, so this is new. To activate it, I'm just using a piece of junk paper. And oops, that practice painting of a baby. And I'm just pushing in the nib until that work of that ink comes down, and here it comes. All right. Wait, what? And if you want, you can make the pupils a little bigger. Why not? Why not put a little pumpkin? I don't think this ink will move after I paint over it, but we're about to find out. So I'm just going to use regular watercolor paint, and I personally have yellow and whole binaural and M-gram naphthol red. That's pretty much the only yellow and the only red I use, other than burnt sienna for darker, browner things. Just mix a little cute orange. I'm gonna make it kind of watery because I want it lighter. So hopefully it won't look weird next to the cat. And blend into the cat. Blot. A little more red for the bottom, maybe the side. And I'll let that dry, and then I'll draw in the stem and the little lines, and then that can be done. All right, let's put the finishing touches. I'm gonna use my Arteza acrylic marker black, space black pen. It comes in, like I said, it comes in this package. And we're just gonna put on a cute little stem. There we go. I'm also going to put in a little white highlight. So I put that white highlight in with my Uniball Signo Broad white gel pen. Put in some like that. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. It's really fun. I might do even more. And if y'all want even more information on how I did the lamp black one or any of these other ones, I am glad to share with you. These are just me playing. This was my weekend play project, so I hope you all are having a wonderful fall. This has been so fun, and go paint your world beautiful. Bye, everybody.